Welcome back. What is an electrical screwdriver? I want to show you my daily driver, my electric screwdriver, which I use in all my DIY stuff around the house. So here I have my electrical screwdriver. It's a Bosch IXO model. Is made in Hungary, and as you see is a 3.6 volt power, 7.2 watt hour. Is 2 amps the battery, and it's very small. This is the best option of it. It's very small. From what I know, this have 5.5 Newton meters power torque. You can select the arrow. It's very easy. Have a hex connection. What we have inside? So we have a little sticker. We have a plastic box, which is very used. This kind of screwdriver comes with a lot of accessories, as you see. Have a torque setting adapter, have a drilling adapter, an universal cutting adapter, offset angle adapter, angle screwdriver adapter, have a barbecue blower, and a lot of other things. What you need to remove this cover, and here you can install another accessories if you buy it from another way. So, but I use it like this. I have a charging cable. Is a micro USB, is the classic one. The charging of battery takes I don't know, less than 1 hour. And I bought a set of bits from DeWalt. I use it like this, always. The speed is good, the power is good. It's very easy to change it. You can take it in pocket. And in the original package come with this adapter. And have a set of bits. But it's very cheap. It's around $50 this electrical screwdriver, and comes with PZ, PH, T, SL, and 2 hex. This is the original package. But I'm very happy with this because usually I use this PH2 for all my small DIY projects. I recommend this. I'm not sponsored by Bosch, but I recommend this because it's very small. Is as you see, is like my hand. You can take it in pocket, and very easy. You can dismantle the air conditioner, do some maintenance. You can use it in your car DIY projects. You can change the filters, where is not needed a big electrical screwdriver from Bosch or DeWalt. I recommend this this little beast. See you next time.